shark family. Hi there! Today we're going to draw and color a shark family together. Let's start with the baby shark. We'll use black pencil to draw the outlines. Let's start with the eyes and then draw the body. Don't forget the tail and fins and a big toothy grin. Well done! Now it's the daddy shark's turn. Let's draw his eyes, nose, and body. Then we'll draw his big fins. And now let's draw the mommy shark. She has pretty eyes and long eyelashes. Look at that big smile. Let's make our lines darker. Good job! It's time to color. Let's start with the baby shark. Let's color him yellow. Yes, yellow is great. And let's color his tongue red. Now let's draw the daddy shark. Did you know that daddy sharks are blue? Just like the color of the sky and the ocean. Let's color his tongue red. Now it's mommy shark's turn. She is so cute with her big eyes and eyelashes. Let's color mommy shark pink. Her lips are red. Great job! Let's add some bubbles. And finally, let's add some shadows. We are almost done. All done! We did it! If you love to draw and color too, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye!